What?
Tell him if he wants change.
¿Quieres cambio, señor?
Oh, he put a heart.
You just asked me if I want to change.
If you're nice to him, he'll help you keep your car clean if you don't want to pay for it to be cleaned.
That's true.
And you have a dust buster.
You turn on the fluid too?
Yes. Ouch! Oh, he pinched my legs.
Yeah, that happens. Elijah, are you driving? No. Move out of the way, please. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, she has road rage already. He has road rage already. People are stressing you out, huh, Elijah? Are they stressing you out?
Go. Does
Yeah.
it work without it being
Yeah,
on?
push it. He can't do it.
I'm sorry.
He tried to. Brother's doing a good job cleaning the windshield. So sweet.
You missed the spot. I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. Matthew, get a tomato from the burger. That's the worst. You'll see when your brother gets mad at you. So you're good?
Orders in Tijuana?
You want to go inside the house? Or are you going to sleep in your car?
I want to go somewhere.
Take your brother somewhere.